unbox my Air India Express Boeing 737-800. This is actually by Hogan wings, and this is a scale 1/200. Hogan wings are scale 1/200 planes. By the way, when I got the box, the hanging holes were taped like this only. Well, never mind. Let's move on to the sides of the box. So here's a sticker with the registration, which is VTAXN. If you don't know what VT means, VT actually means Victorian Territory, because once British ruled India. Now the pictures of the tail are given here. So this is the left tail and this is the right tail, and the Air India Express logo. It also says detailed scale model for adult collectors, not suitable under the age of 14, and a Hogan logo. It says here, produced under license from Boeing Management Company. 737 and Boeing are among the trademarks owned by Boeing. So this is written official licensed product, and on the same side, on the opposite side, the same sticker. So let's unbox the plane and see the parts. Just wait. Along with that, I got a DB Jets and the website. So if you want to buy any plane models, you can visit this website. Along with my Air India plane, I got the this card. So let's go through the parts one by one. By the way, this is the first time in Hogan wings I got instruction manual for the 737. In my videos, I informed YouTubers that the stabilizers should be upright. So even in the instructions, it's given that. And how to fix the plane model. Here are the landing gears and the registration on. Now, as you can see, the Boeing, the aircraft parts are covered very tightly, so we have to carefully open them. Just wait. So these are the wings and the tail and stabilizers. So the reason why the wings are small, because this is a 1/200 scale. If you have seen my other another unboxing of the Boeing 737 Max of Fly Dubai, then the plane is bigger because that was a scale 1/150. Let's go to the wing. Let's review the wings first. So here on the left wing is the registration VTAXN, and the engines are very, very detailed. Even the wingtips look nice, even on the other side. And on the engines, it's written www.airindia.com. .in. It's okay. We move on to the other parts, which is the stabilizer. Stabilizer and the tail. By the way, it's hard to remove the stabilizer, so let me just. So if you could just give me some time in removing this. Yeah, so here's the stabilizer, and here's the other one. Yeah. The reason why I did that, because it's hard to take it out, and if you bend this, it's not good. Well, so the shape is like this, so it is tightly connected. Let's take the tail off. Yeah, so the tail with the picture according to the box, and another one. So we'll see the body first. We have to just open it like this. And along with that are the landing gears. So guys, let me pause this video and fix the plane. Okay guys, so here's the aircraft, and to inform you that I haven't put the landing gears so that I can show you guys how to put the landing gears. But before that, let us move on to the stand. The stand is a small one, and along with that, as usual, Hogan Wings also gives space fillers. That is, if you don't want the landing gears, you can replace them with this. So let's try fixing the stand first. Yeah, I think guys it will look good with the wheels on, so let's fix the wheels. Now there might be a little bit of confusion how to fix this, but this video can even help you. Every time you fix the front part, it should go upwards like this. Just wait. It should go upwards. And all these wheels are one, but the thinnest one is the front landing gear. Now let us fix it.
Before the sword comes up.
Wait, first we have to put this, then we have to put this. Yeah, now it will go properly. Yeah guys, we fitted our front wheel. Now let's fix the other wheels. Okay guys, so here's our model. It looks really beautiful. By the way guys, this is my first 737-800 and first Air India Express. But this is my second Boeing 737 since I have a 737 MAX. Now, it is easy to know that you have flown by this because many Air India planes have different tails. And let's review the plane first. So here's the cockpit and the landing gear with the registration below. Then the first door with the flag of India. Then Air India Express. On the other side, it's written in Hindi. Air India Express. Then, as usual, on the other side, there are windows, then middle doors. These are actually for emergency exits. And here's the light. Then here is the red navigation light. Other side is the green navigation light. Then here's the registration with the Boeing 737-800 in green color. And here's the livery of the tail. As usual, on the other side the same. The engines, they spin, as well as the landing gears don't tilt because these are only just single. Now let's fix the plane to the stand. Okay guys, so here's our plane model. It looks really beautiful on the stand and with the wheels. So guys, let's review the stand first. It's written Air India in English and Hindi both. And the stand is also pretty strong and sturdy. So guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe and press the bell to watch so that you won't miss my latest videos. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.